Good morning, Year 1. Welcome to your English lesson today. Yesterday, you looked at developing a character by describing what they look like, by describing their appearance. And you focused on the character who gave the warning, who said, "Don't do that," because something might happen. Today, we're going to continue looking at how to describe a character. We're going to be looking at their appearance again, but today we're also going to be looking at the word personality. Personality, can you say that? Well done. I'm going to come back to that word in a moment and explain to you what it means. Now here we've got Captain Purplebeard, and he's our character who received the warning. He was warned that the treasure was guarded by an evil monster who eats pirates for dinner. Now, if I was going to think about what Captain Purplebeard looks like, I would have to think of adjectives, describing words to describe his appearance. Can you just have a think? What describing words can you think of? You can pause the video. Okay, here are some of my describing words. Got a red coat, big hat, purple beard. We know that from his name, don't we? And a scary fist. His fist is what his hand's doing. That's really scary to me. So when we're describing improving our writing at school, we look at expanding our vocabulary, thinking of better words. I would like you to pause the video now, and can you write on your whiteboards or your pencil or on your paper with your pencil better words for big? Pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to share some of my words for big. I wonder if any of you have got the same words as I have. Giant, large, massive, huge, enormous. Okay, if we're thinking about the word personality and describing the personality of a character, it's saying what the character is like as a person. Not about what you can see, but maybe some of the things that are inside. Maybe their thoughts, maybe how the character's feeling, and how they behave. Now, I had a really good look at the story and I watched the video again. I've said things here that I could hear, and it also tells me a bit more about the character because he's got a loud, booming voice. He's not shy, is he? That tells me he's quite a confident person. Greedy. He wanted more. Even though he was warned, he still wanted to get the treasure. Brave. And happy. Happy at the thought of becoming really rich. Now, my word happy bounced into my screen then, because that's a word I want us to work on together. Happy. Can you pause the video and can you come up with some better words for happy? Okay, I'm going to share some of my words for happy. I wonder if any of you have got the same words as me. Joyful, merry, cheerful, overjoyed, and hidden behind me, glad. So your task today, you'll find this in your home learning plan. But if you don't want to print it out, that's okay. You can draw it straight into your book. Okay, I want you today to think about your own character in your story who's going to receive the warning. So I don't want you using Captain Purplebeard. I want you using your own. Mrs. Geary gave me a really good suggestion, and I'm going to share it with you. She came up with Sarah Silvershoes, the adventurer. So you would draw your character here. And then up here, I want you to think about your character's appearance. What do they look like? Are they tall? Have they got a black dress on or some black shoes? Have they got a large hat? Have they got a spotty glove on their hands? Or something, they might have something pointy. So it's describing what your character looks like. Adjectives down here to describe what your character's personality is. For example, are they greasy, like Captain Purplebeard? Are they kind? Are they moody? Or are they evil? Once you've finished this, it'd be really great to see some of your work on Padlet. Or remember, you can always email it into school. Okay, year one, off you go.